Hey guys, thanks for joining. Today we're going to be doing how to start up a brand new rod, or a new rod to you, I guess you could say. So I got just a used Shimano Sensolite. It is a 6.6, line weight of 610. So what you want to do is, first off, make sure you put a reel on there. So I actually just got this new Black Max 20 for like $10 at Walmart. It was on sale. So what you do is you end up just sliding it in that, well, it would be the top first because it comes from the bottom. Like I said, make sure you're all the way loose. And then you literally just screw it to tighten. You want to make sure it's on there pretty good, pretty good. I like to flip the bail open, and then for demonstrations, I just have some Zebco Omniflex monofilament 6-pound test. And what I'll do is I'll actually put this inside of boiling hot water, thread it through the little loop on the top of your. So what we got is just a fishing line inside of boiling water. I like to do that just so it kind of, when that line heats up, it will. I always just straight feed it all the way through all the eyelets. Be careful, guys. The water is pretty hot. It should be hot, at least. Feed it through all of the eyelets. And then you will have to tie a knot onto your fishing reel. Flip your bail back over. You want to make sure that everything is all straightened out. Lined up nice and straight. And then when you're done with that, you just start reeling it on. Go. Tighten the bail again, or close the bail again, and just. There we go. And then just keep it tight on there. Not super tight, I guess you could say, but you do want it to be a little tight. Set that bad boy on your lap and just reel it in. Leave a little bit of line left. I currently have it sitting on my bed, strung about 5 feet of line still left over. And I will then just grab a pocket knife, something of the sort. Cut that line. And then after that, like I said, about 4 or 5 feet. That way, because you were almost done spooling it. Get into the tackle box. Like I said, this is the Black Max 20. Grab a bobber. Wrap it around the bottom about 2 times, 3 times at max. And then that top one, I like to do 2. But then, you still have quite a bit of line, depending on. You can always move that bobber around. Then what you'll do is, for me, for this fishing pole, I got a pack of those bait holders. If you go into my other video, probably one of the first videos I did here, or second one, as a matter of fact, you'll see those hooks. Just grab a size 6. I'm using a size 6 bait holder hook. Just for sake of time. I like the improved clinch knot. Very beginner. If you guys want to see how to tie that and the improved clinch knot, I do have a video on it. Make sure it's on there tight. Cut that tag off. Like I said, this is just 6-pound line for this fishing pole. And then, like I said, size 6 bait holder hook. And that is it for this one. What you'll do is just hook it right here on the most poles at the very, very, very bottom. Have a spot to hold your hooks and your baits. This is a 2-piece, so I thought maybe it is just a 1-piece. Yeah, just a 1-piece. We'll be here and little soon doing a actual review of this. I've never had a Shimano rod, and I've never used a Black Max. It is called the BMax SP20 by Abu Garcia. But other than that, guys, if you guys have any questions, please comment them below, and I will catch you on my next video.